Prepare the room by making sure your walls and floors are even and suitable for supporting the kitchen cabinets. Find the highest point of the floor and mark it on the wall. This will be the point from which to measure. Check that your walls are strong enough to support the weight of your kitchen cabinets. Use an electric stud finder to find a stud or beam to fasten your cabinets to. Use the highest point of the floor to mark out the correct height for the bottom of the base cabinets, 125 mm, which is the height of the legs. Then mark out the top of your cabinets, 878 mm. Finally, mark out the bottom of the wall cabinets, 1489 mm. Time to draw the layout on the wall. Use your drawing to see where each cabinet should go. Start from the corner, making sure you have the electricity, water and ventilation where you want them. Supporting rails make installation a lot easier. They help you position your cabinets correctly. Any long, straight piece of wood from your local hardware store will do the job. Start from the base. Place the top of the rail below the 125 mm mark you made earlier. Fix the rail to the wall. Do the same with the upper rail. The upper rail will only be there during installation. You'll be removing it afterwards. Time to assemble the cabinets. Find an area where there's enough room, and don't forget to protect your floor.